Have you ever wondered what celestial events the universe has in store for us in 2024? The cosmos is an enormous stage filled with mysteries and wonders that are waiting to be discovered. In the grand orchestra of the universe, the planets, stars, and galaxies play their parts, creating breathtaking performances that leave us in awe. 2024 promises to be an exciting year, with celestial events that are sure to captivate and inspire us. In this video, we will take a journey through the cosmos and explore the space events that 2024 has to offer. The year kicks off with the planets putting on a show for us. In the grand theater of the cosmos, 2024 is a year full of planetary waltzes, known as oppositions and conjunctions. These celestial events, where planets appear to meet or oppose each other in the night sky, offer us a unique spectacle and a wealth of scientific data. First, let's talk about oppositions. This is when a planet is opposite the sun in our sky. It's the best time to observe a planet because it's at its brightest and visible all night. In 2024, we have two significant oppositions to look forward to. In early May, Saturn takes center stage, followed by Jupiter in late July. These gas giants, adorned with rings and moons, will dazzle us with their brilliance. Next, we have conjunctions, a celestial event where two or more objects appear incredibly close in the sky. 2024 is graced with several fascinating conjunctions. In mid-January, Venus and Mars will seem to meet in the pre-dawn sky, a beautiful sight for early risers. Then, in late October, there's a stunning conjunction of Jupiter and Venus, the two brightest planets, just after sunset. These magnificent displays remind us of the constant dance of the planets in their orbits. These planetary dances aren't just for show. Astronomers use these events to study the planets' atmospheres, moons, and more. Oppositions provide a chance to see the planets in full sunlight, revealing details we can't usually see. Conjunctions, on the other hand, offer an opportunity to compare planets directly, a rare treat for both amateur and professional astronomers. Planetary dances are just the beginning. Let's move on to our next celestial event. Eclipses have fascinated humans since time immemorial, and 2024 won't disappoint eclipse enthusiasts. An eclipse, simply put, is a celestial event where one celestial body temporarily obscures another. In our case, it's when the moon comes between the Earth and the sun, or when the Earth's shadow falls on the moon. In 2024, we will witness both a solar and lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse, an awe-inspiring spectacle, occurs when the moon's shadow falls on Earth, temporarily blocking the sun. In 2024, the solar eclipse will take place on April 8th, providing a unique opportunity for us to witness this celestial event as the moon's shadow traverses the Earth. So how does this happen? Well, it's all about alignment. When the moon comes between the Earth and the sun, and all three are perfectly aligned, that's when a solar eclipse occurs. It's a fascinating dance of celestial bodies, a cosmic ballet choreographed by the laws of physics. Now, let's talk about the lunar eclipse. This happens when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, and the Earth's shadow falls on the moon. In 2024, we'll have the chance to see this on October 28th. The science behind this is just as intriguing. When the Earth is positioned directly between the sun and the moon, it casts a shadow on the moon. This shadow gradually covers the moon, resulting in a lunar eclipse. Depending on the exact alignment and atmospheric conditions, the moon might take on a reddish hue during the eclipse, often referred to as a blood moon. Both solar and lunar eclipses have been significant in human history, used for everything from marking time to guiding agricultural cycles and even influencing mythology and superstitions. Today, they serve as a reminder of our place in the cosmos, showcasing the precision and predictability of celestial mechanics. Eclipses are always a sight to behold. But wait, there's more to come. Meteor showers and comets are a thrilling spectacle, aren't they? These celestial events have been inspiring awe and wonder in humanity for centuries, and 2024 will be no exception. Let's start with meteor showers. These are actually tiny fragments of cosmic debris entering our planet's atmosphere at high speeds, burning up and creating stunning streaks of light across the sky. In 2024, we'll be treated to several meteor showers. The quadrantids will kick off the year in early January, known for producing up to 100 meteors per hour at its peak. Following that, The Lyrids in April will offer a modest show with about 20 meteors per hour. The Eta Aquarids in May, derived from the famous Halley's Comet, will light up pre-dawn skies with a display of up to 50 meteors per hour. Later in the year, the Perseids in August and the Geminids in December, both known for their bright and fast meteors, will provide some of the best sky watching of the year. The best time to watch these showers is usually after midnight, when the part of Earth you're standing on is heading into the stream of debris. Now, let's talk about comets. These icy bodies from the outer solar system create an amazing spectacle as they approach the sun, heating up and releasing gas and dust that forms a glowing coma and often a tail. While predicting comets is a tricky business, astronomers keep a close eye on the sky for any new visitors. In 2024, we're particularly excited about the return of Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko. This comet, which orbits the sun every 6.5 years, became famous in 2014 when the Rosetta mission successfully landed a probe on its surface. Meteor showers and comets certainly add to the magic of the night sky. But 2024 has one more exciting event in store. 2024 is a big year for lunar exploration. A compelling statement that rings true as the year unfolds. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, continues to captivate us as several countries set their sights on ambitious lunar missions. One of the key players in this moon race is the United States. Under NASA's Artemis program, the goal is to return humans to the lunar surface for the first time since the Apollo missions. But this time, there's a twist. The mission aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon, making a giant leap for gender equality in space exploration. Meanwhile, China, not to be outdone, has its own lunar ambitions. The Chinese National Space Administration plans to construct a research station near the moon's south pole, a region rich in resources and bathed in near-constant sunlight. This would be a significant step in establishing a permanent human presence on the moon. India also joins the fray with its Chandrayaan-3 mission. After the near success of Chandrayaan-2, the Indian Space Research Organization is determined to land a rover on the moon, emphasizing India's growing prowess in space exploration. And let's not forget the European Space Agency. They're collaborating with Russia's Roscosmos on the Luna 27 mission, aiming to land a probe in the moon's south pole to search for water ice, a crucial resource for future lunar habitation. These missions are more than just a moon race. They represent a global effort to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities. The objectives range from scientific discovery to the search for resources, from testing new technologies to preparing for future human missions to Mars. The moon race is sure to be one of the highlights of 2024. It's a great year to be a space enthusiast. As we look up at the night sky, we can't help but marvel at the extraordinary endeavors of human ingenuity and the thrilling adventures that await us on the lunar surface. So there you have it, the celestial events of 2024. From the dance of the planets to the stunning solar and lunar eclipses, the heavens promise an array of spectacles. Let's not forget the meteor showers and comets, each a unique show of cosmic beauty. And of course, the thrilling moon race will have us all on the edge of our seats. These are but a few of the astronomical wonders that await us in the coming year. Keep your eyes on the sky, and you won't miss the cosmic wonders that 2024 has in store.